Construction is a dangerous job, with every worksite presenting the risk of serious injury. Having the right safety equipment means you and your staff can rest assured, knowing their safety is your priority. There are a number of safety methods to consider when establishing your worksite culture, as risk mitigation begins with mindset and behavior. Prioritizing psychological safety alongside physical safety means you are allowing your staff a workplace where they feel comfortable speaking up about concerns, asking questions, and admitting mistakes without fear of humiliation or punishment. Organizations that foster safe environments reap the benefits of team health and performance. To create a focused and safe workplace environment, it helps to have your staff aware of their surroundings at all times. For recording and risk assessment management, digital tools come in the form of apps downloadable on any smartphone or device. Options like SiteConnect, HazardCo, and SiteApp Pro are used to help with contractor compliance, registering hazards, recording incidents, and task management. There are also features to verify contractor qualifications, audit sites, and create emergency response plans. These tools allow easy access to real-time updates and use cloud-based systems accessible via internet connection or mobile data. If this is an issue for your worksite, look into which vendors provide offline capabilities. It is crucial that you record close calls and near misses as well as incidents. This can help prevent future harm by identifying areas of potential risk. Manual risk recording can be time-consuming, with details like what happened, who was involved, what protocols were taken or not taken, and what the future prevention plan is, all having to be accounted for. Doing this digitally eases the process and ensures data is stored safely where you can access it at any time. Risk identification apps are also helpful when it comes to potential risks you may have missed, or informing you of areas that may be more likely to cause problems, like certain machinery or weather forecasts. Maintaining machinery and equipment is vitally important from a health and safety perspective, as machine failure and malfunctions can pose serious risk to workers. Using digital systems like Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or Trello can be great for creating inspection schedules, replacement reminders, or any update requirements. The internet also offers resources to aid in machine diagnostics and repair. User-made content on platforms like YouTube and social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter are great for finding reviews and easy-to-follow advice. Company websites will also usually provide digital copies of manuals, information sheets, warranties, and other useful information. Bad weather does not always entail an emergency, but it does increase risks for slipping, overheating, and other accidents. It is important to be aware of what is coming your way, whether it's snow, rain, wind, or extreme heat. Online websites such as MetWeather and the National Institute for Weather and Atmospheric Research, or NIWA, can provide useful weather reports and predictions. Now, finding the right digital solutions for your team will depend on what type of construction work your business does, the size of your team, and your budget. Certain apps will require more training than others, but it's important you give your staff ample time to learn how to use them effectively. It must be noted that if used incorrectly, digital tools can become distractions and therefore become a risk of their own. Ensuring staff are not using their phones while operating machinery, at heights, or in any dangerous position on the worksite is important in risk reduction. While emergency services should always be accessible, first aid training and preparation are essential for incident responses. Plan for the worst. and have your staff trained in emergency responses through first aid training courses hosted by organizations such as Red Cross NZ. Being prepared is vital, and the more you know, the better prepared you will be. Research your options. Open conversations with your team to ascertain where they see risk assessments falling short, and check out Digital Boost's other resources, real-world stories, and a support team eager to help.